Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a MIDI keyboard from M Audio, anything in the Oxygen Pro series, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you might want to do this for really two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having trouble getting it to work, if it's not making the right sounds, if the settings that you have don't seem to be working, or anything like that, or if it's not responding, a hard reset is a good way to fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is, there's a whole lot of just presets and settings you can set on here. And if you don't want to undo them all, you just want to get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box with all the default settings, we can go ahead and do that. All we need to do is turn the power off on the keyboard, and then we're going to come and find the octave buttons. And there's a minus button and a plus button. Depending on the specific model, it can be over here or whatever. But in all of these Oxygen Pro series, there's an octave up and down button. We're going to press and hold them. And while we're pressing and hold them, we can go ahead and turn the keyboard on, wait a few seconds, and then we can let go of the buttons and it will turn on in its factory default settings.